I've never seen a beach that you can drive on.
Today our photo walk is in Pismo Beach, a Central California town best known for these big, wide, and really walkable beaches, dramatic cliffs and caves, and a fun little downtown.
Just like a cool classic California beach town that's just low-key but has an awesome atmosphere.
The whole idea of the Photowalk series is to bring great places to life through photos and videos. You know those postcards that seem like cliches? Well, they are cliches, but they're there for a reason because they offer the best spots in town. And I'd like to show you how to experience Pismo through the top spots that will, in today's world, light up your social media.
You don't get these mountains in Indiana, that's for sure.
Let's get started by taking a drive around town. The heart of Pismo is the funky little downtown which leads to the beach. That's where you'll find the historic pier, the wide sand, and those really cool caves. But before I run down the must-have photo spots, a quick word of caution. One of the fun things to get to know here in Pismo Beach are the tide tables, where I'm standing right now, was totally dry just an hour ago. And when you take your pictures later at night, you'll want to know where to stand to make sure that you don't get totally wet.
So what happens is the tides roll out here unlike any other beach in California. Within like 30 minutes they can go out like 45 feet and then come all the way back up in like 10 minutes. It's absolutely insane, and that's how you find all you know, your sand crabs and things like that, which is also makes beautiful shots.
And speaking of photography, here's our top 10 photo pics from our Pismo Beach photo walk. Pismo Beach is directly in between Los Angeles and San Francisco, about a 3-hour drive in either direction. It's about an hour's north of Santa Barbara, 15 minutes south of San Luis Obispo, and just down the road from Hearst Castle, Morro Bay, and Cambria. And of course, you're surrounded by wine country on all sides, most notably Paso Robles, just up the way. Where to eat? Locals name one spot in particular.
Yeah, Splash Cafe.
Splash is well renowned. You know, I mean, they're world, like, I mean, that's like probably one of the best clam chowders. I mean, they've been here for years, and I've came here since I've been a kid. So now, you know, I'm bringing my kids.
And while Pismo once called itself the clam capital of the world and uses Pismo clams as the city hashtag, well, it's really hard to find a local clam now because they disappeared in the 90s. Restaurants import them from elsewhere, and it's illegal to go clamming in Pismo. Okay, it's time for the photo tips section of today's Photo Walk episode. Remember that Pismo Beach is an incredibly colorful little beach city. Enjoy it. Exploit the color. You'll find it at its brightest in midday, but at its warmest and coolest in the morning or evening right after sunset. For the classic overhead shot of Pismo Beach like we saw on those old postcards, go up, get up on a cliff, and look south. Any kind of camera will do. I like the view at the Kon Tiki Inn and the Shore Cliff Lodge, but pretty much anywhere in town will give you a great angle. The other really popular shot, of course, is the selfie. Where's the best selfie spot?
Oh, underneath the pier. Yeah, a lot of people take pictures there, like by the wood. Yeah, like senior pictures by the water. it's good lighting because it's like not too bright, but like you could, yeah, it's
Like broken up from the top, so like comes in like you know when you like see if you like look through the sign right there, the cracks like make it better.
Sunsets can be pretty spectacular in Pismo anywhere in town, whether that's in the sand, on the pier, under the pier, by the rocks. Just remember that you get the really great colors right after sunset, so don't be in a rush to leave. And where are we going to find those pelicans? I've got an idea. You see that gazebo up on the top with the 2 plum trees? Probably don't. That's where all the pelicans are. It's really hard to tell in this wide angle shot, but there's probably 100 pelicans up there right now. To get your shot of the dunes, yeah, you can walk it, but it's best to pay the $5, get in the car, and take the drive down the road. It's about a mile down the road. Be sure to go early before the tides get very aggressive. For the local dives and the cool neon glow, you want to get there early in the morning or just around sunset time, where you get the sky where it's not yet dark, but it's a little darker than it was before, and the neon really pops. Finally, I love my photos from the Pismo Beach photo walk, but videos are bumping. Let's watch.
How would I describe Pismo Beach? The place to be. It's the place to be, you know? It's bumping. I love it here.
So that's our photo walk from Pismo Beach. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please stay tuned for more photo walk videos. We've recently been to Balboa Island, Palos Verdes, Manhattan Beach, and who knows where we'll be next. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget, let's run out and take some great photos.